The Lagos State government has disclosed that the Green Line Rail and the Purple Line will be the next in the state mass transit scheme after the completion of the Blue Line and the Red Line Rail. Lagos, which is being divided into two, the mainland and the island. Now we have two different rail lines on the mainland, which are the Blue Line and the Red Line. The Lagos State government has proposed another rail line, which is the Green Line, and it will be linking the Lekki Free Zone to the Marina train station, which is part of the Lagos Masterplan. According to the Lagos State Metropolitan Area Transport Authority (LAMATA), with the Urban Transportation Implementation Agency of the state, Lagos State has 6 rail systems which are differentiated by colors, which are the Green Line, the Purple Line, the Yellow Line, the Orange Line, the Blue Line, and the Red Line. The introduction of the Blue Line and the Red Line marks the government's commitment to urban development and its vision and mission to make transportation seamless within the state. The Green Line is a 68-kilometer line which will start from Marina train station to Lekki Free Zone, which is one of the fastest growing industrial areas in Lagos and where the new Lagos International Airport will be sitting, and will also help to complement the infrastructural development in this area. The Green Line will traverse key areas like Marina, Victoria Island, Lekki Phase 1, Ajah, Lekki Phase 2, Ogombo, Elepetu, Eluju, Lekki Airport, Lekki Free Zone, and so on. This rail line will connect from the existing Marina station and will take commuters all through the island part of Lagos. This is very important and strategic to the Lagos State government because it will help to decongest traffic from the popular Lekki-Epe Expressway, which is currently facing a lot of traffic, especially during its peak hours. The Purple Line, on the other hand, is a 60-kilometer rail line designed to launch from Redemption Camp through Mowe to Omole to Ogba to Agege, Iyanapaja, Isheri Osun, Igondo, Ojo, and terminate at Okokomaiku. It is projected to move about 550 passengers daily, rising to 1.3 million passengers by 2031. One common thing about these rail lines is that it will link the existing rail line. The Green Line is expected to start from Marina, while the Purple Line is expected to terminate at Okokomaiku, which is the last station on the Blue Line corridor, meaning that they are the continuation of the existing rail line. Aside from the 2 proposed rail lines, the Lagos State government is also proposing the Yellow Line, which is a 37-kilometer line, which will traverse through Ota, Alemosho, Isolo, Surulere, and terminate at National Art Theatre, which will transport about 500,000 passengers daily, rising to 1 million passengers in 2031. Also captured in the Rail Line Master Plan of Lagos State is the Orange Line, which is a 48-kilometer line, which will run from Ikeja, Alausa, Magodo, Mile 12, Irawo, Agric, Ishawo, Imota, and terminate at Agbowa in Lagos State, which will move about 400 passengers daily, rising to 800 passengers daily in 2031. While the 4 rail lines are still pending and remains on paper, the Blue Line is partially completed and commercial activities are started. The Red Line, on the other hand, is also completed and test running of the Red Line train has started. With over 200 million people, Lagos, which is the largest city in Nigeria and the most populous city in Africa, Lagos set to compete with cities like Cairo, Johannesburg, and so on, with concrete plans to establish railway lines connecting major towns in Lagos together, which will reduce travel time, reduce traffic congestion, and so on. With the plan of the railway construction in different parts of the state, which is far more cheaper, better, and faster than using the road, Lagos will conveniently compete with other cities like New York, London, and lots of other mega cities. The absence of an effective public transportation system is a major issue in Lagos State. As part of the effort to address transportation issue, the Lagos Metropolitan Area Transport Authority (LAMATA) flagged off the construction of 2 rail lines, the Blue and the Red Line, to address traffic challenges often experienced by Lagosians. In 2009, this race started in Mile 2 area of Lagos State, having stations like Mile 2, Alaba, Igomu, National Art Theatre, and Marina. This 27-kilometer rail line was designed to develop in phases as Lamata, the supervisor, and China CCECC, the contractor. The rail system is designed to move over 500,000 passengers daily, and the first phase is fully completed and it has been open to the public for commercial purposes. The Lagos State government started the construction of this line, and today we can see the result of this ambitious administration, as the blue line is now ferrying passengers conveniently from Marina to Mile 2. Now passengers can now travel from Marina to Mile 2 in 18 minutes compared to road transportation. Rail transportation is being implemented to move lots of people from one location to the other, which will in turn reduce the number of vehicles on our road and carbon monoxide emission in this densely populated commercial city of Lagos. With the Green Line and Purple Line in sight, this is very important to know that residents of Lagos Island and part of the mainland will experience a great relief of regular traffic congestion that is often experienced by Lagosians. And also, considering the hike of transportation and price of fuel, it is also important to know that public transportation is the way to go. The Lagos State government is gearing up the state with the Green and Purple Line, which is a welcome development as so many Lagosians are waiting for this line, and majority will drop their vehicles and use the public means of transportation to their destination. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your comment about the proposed Green Line and Purple Line.